need to do this. Think about all the people that care about you.
I'm here, and I care. I don't know anything about being bullied, about being different. I know that feeling. Feeling alone in this world. I know because I thought the same. I didn't care about anything anymore and I was gonna give up. But at that moment I realized something. That the world doesn't have to be so ugly. It can be beautiful too. Look at the sky. How beautiful it is. Yet how different each color is. And without you, the world wouldn't be as beautiful. And I know because I'm different too. Now come on, step down. There you go.
Wait. Are you serious? What are you doing here? It's been so freaking long, man. How's life been? Damn.
I asked the girl out.
Oh, I'm sorry.
What?
Well, I assume she said no.
No, she said yes.
Really? Oh, I'm sorry for her.
Everybody, just get into it.
Here we go. Come with me. There's a world out there that we should see. Take my hand.
Yes, my love? Hi, nice to meet you. Okay. Okay. Okay.
My homies pull up on your block, they make that tango, got that smoking on the table, liquor bond, don't give a damn, don't you?
Oh, hi. I'm just looking at a friend's workout photo. He's been working out for a while. Look. Yeah. Okay. Hey! Never showing you again. Because you think it's better looking than me, don't you? That's why you look for so long. Never showing you again.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Is this a real ID?
Yes, it's a real ID.
When's your birthday? Don't think about it.
April 4th, 1968.
What's your sign?
Why, do you want to buy me a drink?
Keep the line moving, huh?
Have a nice time, cutie.
What the fuck you mean, why am I staring at you? I was literally in my head, you're not even slightly cute, get over yourself. Swear to God, these ratchets be tripping.
Oh my god!
What is it?
Look!
Ooh.
It's the cutest person I've ever seen.